Did you know that ground beef could be your best ally in your fat loss journey? Today we are diving deep in this subject, giving you the benefits of proteins and why ground beef can help you to burn more fat. Hello dear friends and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're going to dive deep into the best protein source for fat loss, ground beef. Whether you're new to the topic of health and weight loss or an experienced enthusiast, this video will provide you with valuable insights on why ground beef stands out as an excellent choice for your protein needs. So, let's get started. What is ground beef? Ground beef, commonly known as minced meat, is beef that has been finely chopped by a meat grinder or mincing machine. It is a versatile and widely used ingredient in many cuisines around the world. Ground beef can vary in fat content, ranging from lean to higher fat options, which affects its flavor, texture, and nutritional profile. Why is protein so important for health? Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in almost every aspect of your body's function. It is composed of amino acids, which are the building blocks that the body uses to repair and build tissues. Here are some key reasons why protein is vital for human health. Muscle growth and maintenance. Protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass, which is particularly important for those involved in physical training and for the elderly to prevent muscle loss. Enzyme function. Many enzymes, which are crucial for various biochemical reactions in the body, are proteins. Hormone production. Some hormones, including insulin and growth hormone, are proteins that play significant roles in regulating body processes. Immune function. Antibodies, which help fight off infections, are proteins. Adequate protein intake is crucial for a robust immune response. Cellular repair and maintenance. Proteins help in the repair of cells and tissues, ensuring the body can recover from injuries and wear and tear. How much protein to have daily? The amount of protein one needs can vary based on several factors, including age, sex, physical activity level, and overall health. However, general guidelines suggest sedentary adults. The recommended dietary allowance is about 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. For example, a sedentary adult weighing 70 kilograms should consume around 56 grams of protein per day. To maintain muscle mass. Active individuals. Those who engage in regular physical activity need more protein, ranging from 1.2 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight, depending on the intensity and type of exercise. Intake could even go higher depending on your objectives. Elderly. Older adults can benefit from a higher protein intake, around 1 to 1.2 grams or higher, per kilogram of body weight, to help maintain muscle mass and strength. If you want to build more muscle, which would be a smart decision at any age, increase intake up to 2 grams or more per kilogram of body weight. What are the effects of protein in healing and repairing the body? Protein is indispensable for the healing and repair processes in the body. Here's how it aids these functions. Tissue repair. After injury or surgery, protein helps repair damaged tissues. Amino acids from protein are utilized to rebuild muscle fibers, skin, and other tissues. Wound healing. Proteins are vital for the formation of new cells and tissues that close wounds and heal injuries. Collagen, a protein, plays a significant role in this process. Muscle recovery. For athletes or individuals engaged in heavy physical activities, protein is crucial for muscle recovery and growth, reducing soreness and promoting strength gains. Bone health. Protein contributes to bone strength by aiding in the production of collagen, which forms the framework of bones. Why is ground beef the best protein source for fat loss? Ground beef stands out as an excellent protein source for fat loss due to several reasons. High-quality protein. Ground beef provides a complete protein source, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids required by the body. This is crucial for muscle repair and growth, which supports metabolism and fat loss. Collagen. Ground beef has collagen within its components. Studies have shown that the combination of meat with collagen provides with an enhanced ability to increase muscle mass. Satiety. The protein and fat content in ground beef help increase feelings of fullness, helping to reduce glucose and insulin spikes, and overall calorie intake by curbing hunger. Thermogenic effect. Digesting and metabolizing protein requires more energy compared to fats and carbohydrates. This thermogenic effect of protein can help increase calorie expenditure, aiding in fat loss. Versatility. Ground beef is versatile and can be incorporated into various healthy meals, making it easier to stick to a nutritious diet. How does ground beef improve muscle synthesis? Ground beef is particularly effective in improving muscle synthesis due to its rich protein content and the presence of other essential nutrients. Leucine content. Ground beef is high in leucine, an amino acid that plays a critical role in muscle protein synthesis. Leucine triggers the muscle building process, making it essential for muscle growth and recovery. Bioavailability. The protein in ground beef is highly bioavailable, meaning the body can efficiently digest, absorb, and utilize it. This ensures that the muscles receive a steady supply of amino acids for repair and growth. Nutrient density. Along with protein, ground beef provides other vital nutrients such as iron, zinc, and B vitamins, which support energy production and overall muscle function. Balanced macronutrients. Ground beef offers a balanced ratio of protein to fat, providing sustained energy and preventing muscle breakdown during periods of calorie restriction. How does ground beef improve satiety? Ground beef can significantly improve satiety, helping you manage your calorie intake more effectively. Here's how. Protein content. High-protein foods like ground beef slow down digestion, keeping you fuller for longer periods. This reduces the likelihood of snacking and overeating between meals. Fat content. The fat in ground beef, particularly when choosing lean options, helps enhance feelings of fullness without adding excessive calories. Hormonal response. Protein-rich meals increase the release of satiety hormones such as peptide YY and GLP-1, which signal the brain to reduce hunger. Low glycemic index. Ground beef has a low glycemic index, which means it causes a slower, more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. This helps prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can lead to hunger and cravings. What are the nutrients in ground beef? Ground beef is not just a protein powerhouse, it's also packed with several essential nutrients. Iron. Ground beef is an excellent source of heme iron, the form of iron most easily absorbed by the body. Iron is crucial for the production of red blood cells and the prevention of anemia. Zinc. Zinc plays a vital role in immune function, protein synthesis, and DNA production. Ground beef is a rich source of this essential mineral. B vitamins. Ground beef contains several B vitamins, including B12, B6, niacin, and riboflavin. These vitamins are essential for energy production, brain function, and the formation of red blood cells. Creatine. Naturally found in meat, creatine supports energy production in muscle cells and enhances physical performance. Selenium. This trace mineral acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage and supporting thyroid function. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, protein plays a pivotal role in human health, being fundamental for various bodily functions. It comprises amino acids, which are the building blocks essential for tissue repair and growth. The importance of protein is underscored in muscle growth and maintenance, as it is crucial for building and preserving muscle mass, particularly in physically active individuals and the elderly. Proteins are also integral to enzyme function, facilitating numerous biochemical reactions within the body. Hormone production is another key area, with proteins being components of significant hormones like insulin and growth hormone that regulate critical body processes. Furthermore, a robust immune response relies heavily on proteins, as antibodies that fight infections are proteins. Lastly, proteins are vital for cellular repair and maintenance, ensuring the body can recover from daily wear and tear and injuries. The daily protein requirement varies based on factors such as age, sex, physical activity level, and overall health. For sedentary adults, the recommended dietary allowance is approximately 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, just for maintenance. Active individuals, especially those engaged in regular physical activities, may need between 1.2 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight or more. Older adults may benefit from a slightly higher intake, around 1 to 1.2 grams per kilogram or up to 2 grams per kilogram, to help build, maintain muscle mass and strength. Protein is indispensable for the body's healing and repair mechanisms. It aids tissue repair by providing amino acids necessary for rebuilding muscle fibers, skin, and other tissues, particularly after injuries or surgeries. Proteins are also crucial for wound healing, contributing to the formation of new cells and tissues that close wounds. For athletes and physically active individuals, protein is vital for muscle recovery and growth, reducing soreness and promoting strength gains. Moreover, protein supports bone health by aiding in collagen production, which forms the structural framework of bones. Ground beef is highlighted as an excellent protein source for fat loss due to several reasons. Firstly, it provides high-quality protein, containing all essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth, which supports metabolism and aids fat loss. Its protein and fat content also significantly enhance satiety, reducing overall calorie intake by curbing hunger. Additionally, the thermogenic effect of protein, which requires more energy for digestion and metabolism compared to fats and carbohydrates, helps increase calorie expenditure, aiding in fat loss. Ground beef's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into various healthy meals, supporting a nutritious diet. Ground beef improves muscle synthesis effectively due to its rich protein and collagen content and other essential nutrients. It is particularly high in leucine, an amino acid that plays a critical role in muscle protein synthesis by triggering the muscle building process. The protein in ground beef is highly bioavailable, ensuring efficient digestion, absorption, and utilization by the body, providing a steady supply of amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Besides protein, ground beef is nutrient-dense, offering essential nutrients such as iron, zinc, and B vitamins, which support energy production and overall muscle function. Its balanced macronutrient ratio provides sustained energy, preventing muscle breakdown during calorie restriction. Ground beef also significantly improves satiety, helping manage calorie intake effectively. Its high protein content slows digestion, keeping you fuller for longer and reducing the likelihood of snacking and overeating between meals. Protein-rich meals increase the release of satiety hormones like peptide YY and GLP-1, signaling the brain to reduce hunger. Moreover, ground beef has a low glycemic index, causing a slower, more gradual rise in blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to hunger and cravings. In terms of nutrients, ground beef is not just a protein powerhouse, it is also rich in several essential nutrients. It is an excellent source of heme iron, the form of iron most easily absorbed by the body, crucial for red blood cell production and preventing anemia. Ground beef is also a rich source of zinc, vital for immune function, protein synthesis, and DNA production. It contains several B vitamins, including B12, B6, niacin, and riboflavin, essential for energy production, brain function, and red blood cell formation. Additionally, ground beef naturally contains creatine, supporting energy production in muscle cells and enhancing physical performance. Lastly, selenium in ground beef acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage and supporting thyroid function. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.